Vastu Shastra provides guidelines to create a harmonious and productive environment in offices. Here are some practical Vastu tips for offices to ensure success, prosperity, and positivity. Office location and entrance. Office direction. Ideally, offices should face the north, northeast, or northwest, which attract positive energy and success. Main entrance. The entrance should be in the northeast, east, or north, as these directions are considered auspicious. Avoid clutter or obstructions at the main door. Seating arrangement. Owner's seat. The business owner or head should sit in the southwest corner facing north or east for stability and control. Employee desks. Employees should face north or east for better focus and efficiency. Avoid seating employees directly under beams. If unavoidable, cover the beams with false ceilings. Back support. The owner and employees should sit with their backs supported by a solid wall to symbolize strength and stability. Office desk placement. Shape of desk. Desks should be rectangular or square shaped, avoiding irregular or circular shapes. Clean desk. Keep the desk clutter free to enhance decision making and efficiency. Position of desk. Place desks so that the person does not sit directly facing the door but has a clear view of it. Cabin and furniture. Cabin location. The accounts department can be in the southeast, which relates to wealth. The marketing sales team can sit in the northwest, which promotes activity and communication. Furniture material. Use sturdy and high quality wood for furniture to ensure stability and growth. Avoid sharp edges in furniture as they emit negative energy. Decor and colors. Wall colors. Use light colors like cream, beige, or pastel shades for walls to promote positivity. Avoid dark colors like black or deep red. Decor items. Place a painting or image of a rising sun, flowing water, or green fields in the office to signify growth and prosperity. Avoid negative imagery such as battles, storms, or wild animals. Lighting and air circulation. Natural light. Ensure ample natural light in the office, particularly from the east or north. Artificial lighting. Use bright and balanced lighting. Avoid dim or flickering lights. Ventilation. Ensure proper ventilation to maintain a fresh and positive ambience. Plants and water features. Plants. Keep indoor plants like money plant, lucky bamboo, or areca palm for good luck and purified air. Avoid thorny plants like cacti in the office. Water fountain. A small water fountain or aquarium in the northeast corner attracts wealth and prosperity. Vastu remedies for common problems. Missing directions. If there's no option for a northeast entrance, place a mirror or Vastu pyramid in that direction. Negative energy. Use salt water bowls in corners or burn incense regularly to cleanse the space. Imbalanced elements. Place crystals, wind chimes, or Vastu yantras in key areas to balance energies.